Okay, so it's the 6th of December, 2010. It's a Monday, and well, damn. Damn, and woohoo, because it's the last week of the semester. The last fucking week of the semester, which means it's finals week. Everyone is excited to actually finish up and get their shit done and go home for the holidays and go spend time with their family, go spend time with their friends and all that other shit. But if you think about it, there's going to be those students who will not be able to return for the spring semester because they screwed up this semester. It happens. It happens. It's something that actually is inevitable in a lot of people because they don't have the care for college that a lot of other students do. They don't want to get that education that they thought was going to be so much different. It's an education. It's an education that you're paying for. And if you miss those classes, it's wasted money. That's what one of my professors said. I'm talking a little bit fast because I want to get this point across. I am I am personally stoked to actually get this semester finished. This semester was nothing but a roller coaster going up and down. But all that shit is in the past. Whatever happened, happened. I can't change it. That's just what you gotta do. You gotta keep thinking positive, and you gotta keep going forward, and you gotta keep moving in the direction that basically life takes you. And that's the best thing that I can say in the nicest way to say it. Because right now, at the moment, this year, 2010, was just, like I said, same thing as the semester. It was nothing but it was both an emotional roller coaster, it was a, psychological roller coaster. It was all kinds of different shit that just piled up, and then it's amazing that people in my family or me myself haven't snapped, but it's fine with me. You gotta be happy for something. I mean, you conquered another semester, and next semester I'm actually gonna be considered a junior. I'm excited. I'm ready to take on the next year and a half, and getting everything done. Just getting it done. Being considered a junior next semester is I feel is awesome. I feel confident about all my classes and actually passing them, regardless of the time I missed because of the family issue. Um, Selling back books is one of the most rewarding but kind of depressing thing at the same time because you bought your books for so much money. Even though you bought used books, and I'm looking at a book right now, like one of these. I can't reach like this. Like this book right here, I can't sell it back. It's useless because it's a workbook. Like my other one for my comm class. I need that, but you can't sell workbooks back because it's I feel like it's bullshit because even if you didn't use any of the shit in this book, like you did not use any of the paper of the book. Granted, we did. That's kind of the reason why I can't sell this one back or sell back the other ones because pages were ripped out and there's shit missing. That's understandable. But here's the thing. Um, they wouldn't even let you sell. I feel like they wouldn't even let you sell back workbooks if you didn't touch them. If you xeroxed them and then you did all that shit and saved the pages in the binding and you didn't rip anything out and all that other shit. But it's rewarding in a way because all the books that you sold back, because for this semester, I had to have, what was it, like 7 books for my English class, 2 books for my communications class, I think it was, 2 books for my geology class, and it was a bunch of shit. Um, and a lot of this professor, you can pass your classes here. A lot of the classes that I've taken, you can pass without even opening the book, which is kind of amazing to me because they even require a reading text and you still pass. It's mind-boggling, but it's kind of cool at the same time. One of the questions I do have, and that's I'm gonna try and end this kind of short, but on a lighter note, I'm excited for this semester to be done. I'm excited to go home for the holidays, Christmas, my birthday, turning 21. Gonna go hang out with friends. Gonna go hang out with family. Gonna see people that you miss. All this other shit. All those other college students, they do the same thing. But one of the questions I have is, how many of you actually feel like you're going to actually come back the next semester for spring 2011? Or how many of you think some of your classmates are not going to make it to spring 2011? I personally think that there are those select few that will not make it back just because of personal things, whatever. But I also feel like I'm going to return for spring 2011. I pray to God I do because I'll be considered a junior next semester because of the credit hours that I've accumulated. And I mean, it's going to be awesome. This winter break is going to be fun. Um, what else do I want to say? The the rewarding aspect is the money you get back for selling back your books. And I mean, I bought a new awesome Aggies hat. You can't. It's all black, even the stitching, everything. But one of the crazy things is that this is my old hat, and you know how it's all faded and kind of gross. Because I've had this hat for like a year. It used to be this dark. So maybe over the next semester I'll buy a couple of new hats and I could alternate and I don't have to look like I'm wearing a bum's hat for forever. But yeah, stoked for next semester, stoked for this semester to end. This semester is coming to an end this week. This is the first day of finals week. Good luck on your finals. I hope you say the same back to me. Leave a comment underneath or whatever of what you think is going to happen. Video response, I don't care. Also, I do have one last announcement. This winter break that I'm going to be going on for this, month and a half, there will be skits that I promised in the past, a couple months ago, that will be, and I promised will be done this winter break. I have friends that are willing to help me. I'm stoked. They're going to be kind of fun, and hey, it's something to look forward to. But answer the question. If you need to, just rewind and go check it out. Um, yeah, good luck on your finals. I'll do the same. And later.